There's some serious business going down here. Today, we'll see how a spot welding machine is made. First, the crafter takes two transformers from old microwave ovens and then removes their secondary coils. He replaces them with his own custom coils. Let's connect them up and check it out. Now he transfers them into a shell and screws them down. Fire up the torch and seal the deal. Using metal plates, he creates a metal box for the transformers. Now he grabs blocks of metal and cuts holes in it. One is created on each side as well, like this. Can't wait to see it complete. Now he gets working on the welding electrodes for the spot welding machine. Look at it glide in so smoothly, like it's butter and not metal. Now he makes the necessary changes to accommodate the other parts. He connects it to the transformer. The screws are popped in place and welded down. Our crafter makes the hinge and other parts that will hold the upper arm of the welding electrode. He's getting both the arms in place. This is where the magic will happen. The switch is made and fitted into the machine. Next, he makes a handle that will help the user press down on the switch. Seems like the body is getting a coat of fresh paint. The other parts are painted black. So, let's see the magic. Amazing! And it's done a pretty great job, too. So guys, tell us what you think of this video in our comments, and go follow us.